You think you're just scrolling through the feed to relax. In reality, you're losing a war where supercomputers worth hundreds of billions of dollars are pitted against your weak human will. Every swipe is a lost battle. While you scroll, artificial intelligence algorithms are literally sucking out your future capital, turning your attention into their profits. This is Dopamine Detox version 2.0, and today we're taking back control of your life. Welcome. We've all heard about dopamine detox, but let's be honest. In 2026, old advice like just turn off your phone doesn't work anymore. We live in an ecosystem where AI recommendations know your vulnerabilities better than you do. It's like trying to quit smoking while living inside a tobacco factory. The main problem isn't even the time you're losing. The problem is cognitive inertia. This is a state where after 30 minutes of watching short videos, your brain physically loses the ability to analyze complex data, develop business strategies, or learn. And these are the exact skills that create wealth. If you can't focus on one task for at least 4 hours straight, you will never build serious capital. Period. Imagine you're an investor. Would you invest millions in a company whose CEO gets distracted by cat videos every 5 minutes? No. So why are you investing your time in yourself so carelessly? Let's figure out exactly how they're hacking you. Dopamine is often called the pleasure hormone, but that's a mistake. It's the hormone of expectation. It's released when you see a red notification or move your finger for the next swipe. You're waiting for a reward, a funny meme, an interesting fact, or a like. Algorithms use the method of variable reinforcement. This is the mechanics of a slot machine. You don't know what the next video will be, empty or brilliant. It's this uncertainty that keeps you hooked for hours. The result? Your dopamine threshold skyrockets. Real life, where results come after months of work, when it starts to seem unbearably boring. AI in 2026 is a precision weapon aimed at your prefrontal cortex. This is the part of the brain responsible for logic and long-term planning. When it shuts down, you turn into a biological machine for consuming ads. You're getting poorer not because you work too little, but because your brain is too tired to make the right financial decisions. Research shows, after each distraction, it takes an average of 23 minutes to return to a state of deep flow. Count how many times you check your phone per day. Multiply by 23. That's your lost profitability. That's the price of your attention. To survive in this system, we need a digital fortress. We'll use technology against technology. Don't rely on willpower, rely on systems. The first tool is Opal. This is heavy artillery. Unlike standard screen time limits that are easy to ignore by tapping 15 more minutes, Opal blocks apps at the system level. You literally cannot open them. Tip: set up deep focus mode for your most productive hours, usually from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. It uses AI to recognize your distraction patterns and automatically turn on protection when you should be working on your project. The second step is freedom. Its main advantage is synchronization. You press one button on your laptop and the internet is blocked everywhere, on your tablet, phone, and smartwatch. This creates a vacuum of silence where there's no room for "I'll just check my email for a second." This is critical for writing code, texts, or financial analysis. When the possibility of getting distracted disappears, the temptation disappears too. And for those who love game mechanics, there's the Forest app. You plant a virtual tree. As long as you don't touch your phone, the tree grows. If you exit the app to go to social media, the tree dies. It seems like a small thing, but our brain hates losing progress. This is a great way to train your focus muscle with short sprints of 25 or 50 minutes. Start small, one tree a day. But remember, apps are just crutches. The ultimate goal is to learn to walk without them. Use them for the first 30 days to reset your system, then gradually reduce your dependence on blockers. Your goal is internal discipline, not external coercion. Theory without practice is dead. Now, your action plan for the next 72 hours. Don't try to change your whole life overnight. We'll do this step by step. Day 1. Isolation. Delete all social media apps. Don't just hide them, delete them. Install Opal and block access to entertainment websites. Today your goal is to face your boredom face to face. It's in moments of boredom that the best financial ideas are born. Allow yourself to be bored for 15 minutes straight without your phone to borrow. Just sit. Stare at the wall. Let your brain exhale. Day 2. Deep work. Choose one task you've been putting off for weeks. Difficult, unpleasant, but important. Work using the Pomodoro method. 50 minutes of focus. 10 minutes of complete silence. No music, no coffee, just look out the window. You'll be surprised how much you can get done in 4 hours of real concentration. This will replace 12 hours of regular work with breaks. Day 3. Rewiring. We're replacing cheap dopamine with expensive dopamine. Expensive dopamine is the feeling of pride after a tough workout or the satisfaction from completing a complex report. We're teaching the brain to love effort again. If you slip up, Don't punish yourself. Just analyze the trigger and keep going. Relapse is part of the process, not the end of the road. In his book, The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel wrote that wealth is not what you buy, but the freedom to control your own time. But you cannot be free if you don't own your attention. If an algorithm decides what you'll think about for the next 10 seconds, you're a slave. Protecting your attention in 2026 is the best investment. It's more important than stocks or cryptocurrency, because only with a clear mind will you be able to see opportunities where others see just another funny video. Your attention is your currency. Don't waste it on trivialities. Write in the comments, what's your average screen time for the last week? Be honest with yourself. I read every comment and want to see those who are ready for change. Let's create a community of focus. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next breakdowns of mental models of success. We're here to build life according to our own script, not according to the script of algorithms. Being focused today is an act of protest, and your path to freedom. Start the detox right now. See you.